Alright, welcome back to my channel, people, and today basically what we're going to be doing is restoring my Nike Air Forces 1s. What I want to do is just clean them and restore them, and maybe they'll look brand new, hopefully. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is just fucking take out the laces out of the shoes, innit? Take out all these laces and then put some paper inside of it so it holds the shape, because obviously it's going to get wet. Alright, so now that it's clean, we just need to wait till it dries out, because like, as soon as it gets wet, it just changes colour for some reason. But yeah, I think it's quite clean, to be honest. But if it's not clean enough, then I'll just go around again. Alright, so while the first shoe is getting dry, I'm just going to start off on the second one. And yeah, just see how that goes. I took out the shoelace already, so just needs fucking clean it, innit? Right, I'm going to get on with that and just wait till the first shoe is going to dry, and we'll see the results. Alright, so now that we've got a second shoe ready, we're already ready. So, now we need to wait until they both dry out, and then you can see the after results. Alright, so now that two shoes are ready, we can see the after results. Alright, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the results, and comment down below what you want to see next. If you got any ideas, just comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.